Welcome back once again, students. Now the most important question of this chapter: what is the meaning of efficiency and effectiveness? Listen me carefully. What is the difference between efficiency and effectiveness? Efficiency means doing things right. What is efficiency means? Doing things right, and effectiveness means doing the right things. Now, what is efficiency? What is efficiency? Efficiency means doing things right, and effectiveness means doing the right things. Now, first of all, know what is efficiency. Efficiency means the ability to think right in an input output concept. Now, what is input and output? Input means labor, raw material, cash, money, land, whatever the input we are using for getting the output, and output is the final product what we are having in our hand. An efficient manager is one who achieves output that justifies the input. Input is labor, material and time. So what are the input, beta? Just market, labor, material and time. These are the inputs used to achieve them. In management, efficiency of resources utilization. Efficiency of utilization of resources. So what are the resources we have? Land, labor, money, capital and time. These are the inputs that we are focusing mostly in any organization. Minimization of cost and maximization of benefits. What is the meaning of efficiency? Maximum output at minimum cost. This is the tagline of efficiency. Beta, listen me very carefully. Maximum output at minimum cost. Maximization of benefits resulting in achievements of goal. So this is mostly of the efficiency. Now we will move towards the effectiveness. What is effectiveness, beta? In contrast, involves choosing right goals. Effectiveness means to choosing the right goals. Okay, a manager who selects an inappropriate goal, say producing mainly large cars. Effectiveness means choosing right goals. Effectiveness means choosing right goals. Okay, a manager who selects an inappropriate goal, say producing mainly large cars, when demand for a small car is high. An ineffective manager, even if the large cars are produced with maximum efficiency. No amount of efficiency can make up for the lack of effectiveness. Okay, so effectiveness is the key to an organization success. Effectiveness means success to choose the right goal. It doesn't matter how much time you need. Okay, beta? Therefore, it is important for management to achieve goals effectiveness with minimum resources. Okay, beta? What do you mean by effectiveness? With minimum resources, and efficiency as possible, maintaining a balance between effectiveness and efficiency. Okay, these are described about the meaning of effectiveness and efficiency. Okay, thank you.